the sky.
Calling me home, through the fire and snow. Voices of the north, in the cold wind blow.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know.